Hello, here Rakesh Srivastava teaching you physics of class 10, chapter 10, light, refraction, reflection and refraction. Now we will study today ray diagram of the image formation by the concave and convex mirror. Before that, first you know what is the how many rays you will take for the ray diagram. Ray diagram, the rays will be in the concave and convex mirror. Ray diagram, the rays will be taken, first will take concave mirror. One principal axis, pole, focus, center of curvature. In this, a ray is parallel to, first will take one, how many rays? Out of these two rays will take to draw the ray diagram. First a ray which is parallel to principal axis. There is a four conditions, passes through the focus. Ray parallel to the principal axis, after reflection passes through the focus. Second ray, same thing for the convex also. Second ray which is pole, focus, center of curvature. A ray which is passes through the focus parallel to the principal axis. Second ray which is passes through the focus parallel to the principal axis. Out of these, in the third case, a ray, there is a four condition given. Four condition. Out of four condition, focus and the center. The ray which is striking at the pole will make the same angle and reflect like this. A ray, what angle is here? If it is theta, then it will be also theta. Then it will be also theta. Same angle. So 1, 2, 3. One more is here. 4 rays. What is the another? A ray which is passes through the center of curvature. C, F, P, principal axis. A ray which is passes through the center of curvature. It is going and coming back with the same path. 1, 2, 3. Out of 4, you will take the any two ray for draw the ray diagram to show the image formation. Same thing in the convex also. When you will take the convex rays, then partially it will be. All the three conditions will be here, F and C. So what is? A ray which is parallel to the principal axis passes through the focus. Partially. A ray which is convex and concave, this side the focus. A ray which is, this is given. A ray is coming after reflection, it will pass through this, like this. And the third one for the convex, it is the condition given, focus, C. What is the third? A ray which is striking at the same place, it will go here with the same. So you are taking striking at the same place, same angle, it will be reflected by. And the fourth one you will get a ray which is passes through the center of curvature, will be at this. So same thing you will get here, a ray which is coming and going back. Same thing. So all out of this, for the convex, it is a convex and it is a concave. Concave and convex mirror, both out of 4 you will take the 2. Now we will see the what is the first condition for the concave. Convex has only 2 conditions. So concave mirror we will take the first condition. What is given? When the object is at infinity. When the object is at the infinity, we will see object is at infinity. Then how will you make? it will be formed at the focus. Object is at the infinity first. At infinity, will take the object. When object is at the infinity, we will take ray diagram where image form, image will be at the focus. We'll draw the ray diagram and draw principal axis, focus, center of curvature. Here is the point. We'll take 2 points infinity, then direct some dotted line and then draw only one ray you are taking. All the rays passes through here. It is a very simple point side image formed. Point side image form at the focus. Point side image, it is the first condition. Second one is given when the object is beyond C. When the object is beyond C, then how will be the ray diagram? Pole, focus, beyond C. Beyond C means if the object is at this place. So from here you will get a ray diagram. Take the 2 rays. One is passing through the parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it passed through the focus. Another is it depends, focus, which will be passes through the focus. It will be parallel to the principal axis. 2 rays, and then you are getting here the image formed. If it is AB, then you are getting A dash, B dash, real, what is between, you are getting between C and F. What is here? Diminished. Real, inverted, diminished. Between C and F. It is the position. Third case, at C. Where is the at C figure? How will you show? We'll draw the figure. Pole, focus, C. At C, object is at C, then where it will be formed? It will be formed at C, same side. So sometimes it will be confusing that one ray will be greater than another. So you draw like this, one ray parallel to this and it is passing so. So both the things you write. Both the figures you draw here, and from here you draw a line parallel to this. So it is parallel to principal axis and it is passes through the after reflection. So it will be easy to draw when you both the rays draw. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Same size at C, real, inverted and same size. Real, inverted and same size. At C, you will get the image at C. It is a very common. How will you draw the figure? Here is the, if A is this, it is the A dash. So both the rays are coming. One is reflected from here passing through the focus. One is reflected from here and parallel to the principal axis. Fourth one is given. Fourth part is between, when the object is between C and F. Object is between C and F, then where it will be formed. First I have given in the previous lecture all the conditions, you must remember it. Then easily you can draw. Between C and F. Between C and F means object is at this place. If the object is at this place, then from here one ray you take parallel which passes through the focus. And one you can take from here, and you have an option to take the pole. So you can take, if there is any, then it will be making the same angle with the principal axis and you get this. Here, both are intersecting at this place. After reflection, with same angle it reflects from the pole, and here you are getting the image. If it is AB, then you will get A dash, B dash, real, inverted and magnified. What are you getting? Where are you getting this image? Beyond C, real, inverted and magnified. Fifth condition is at F. Fifth condition is given at F. And then last condition is between F and 6. Fifth condition at F. Where will be the object? Object is at the F, then you will get the image. Here is the object. In this case, you are bound to take one ray like this, another ray here. When it is parallel, or you can see from, it is confusing from, because here at F the object is given, so you take one ray like this from C, center of curvature. It is going and coming back, so it will be go like this. After reflection, one ray you take here, pole, and it will be making this. You are getting both is forming very far, infinity. Well, at infinity you are getting the image, real, inverted and highly magnified. Highly magnified means very large, real, inverted and very approximately you will get the parallel lines. And last one, sixth part of this image formation is given between F and P. Between F and P, then where image formed. Between F and P, the image formation biconcave. Object is at this place. A ray which is parallel, or you can see from here, see, it will be exactly going and coming back. You can produce this back side. One ray you take which is coming here and giving you reflection like this. So when you produce back side, because it is increasing the distance between them, so it never meet. It will meet after producing it back side. It is meeting at this place, and if it is AB, then you will get, produce it here, you will get the image B dash, A dash. It is erect, where behind the mirror, where you will get behind mirror, erect, magnified and virtual. What will you get? Erect, magnified, virtual behind the mirror. And due to this property, the concave mirror used as a saving mirror. Saving mirror in the barber shops you will get, some barbers use this because of increasing and seeing the in the beauty parlors also. So it is a very important, and doctors use due to the first condition at focus. ENT and ENT surgeons use this concave mirror for seeing the spot exactly at one place. They connect all the lights. That's all for today. And next, convex, only two conditions are here. I will tell you in the next lecture. Thank you.